are the prize and you are not the option. If you're around people that treat you like an option, kick them out like a bad habit. Because those people don't see the value in you, that means you won't see the value in yourself. Stop letting people choose you as an option when you are the prize. Chosen ones, you are the prize. You are the one with the vision. And in the Bible, they say, where there is no vision, people will perish. So you can't even be around these people. These people don't even have the sense, the soul, the mind, the spirit to be around you and appreciate you. Chosen ones, you are the prize and you are not the option. And if you're around somebody that treats you like the option, man, you better treat them like the ops and get them out of there. C Nasty's telling you this message is from God through my mouth to your ears. I don't know who needs to hear this message, but he told me today somebody needs to hear this message that you, chosen one, you empath, you are the prize. And there's no surprise, man. You look in the mirror, you know your value, you know your worth, you know it. But yet, you have somebody that devalue you, they don't show you your value, they don't appreciate, you know what I mean? All they do really is hate.